There are many products available to choose ladders, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best ladders from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. HBTower 5-Step Ladder with Handrails. This cross between a step ladder and step stool is perfect for jobs around the house that don't require a full-size step ladder, such as painting a room or reaching a high closet shelf. Since it has rails on either side of the steps and a top rail that extends well above the top step, you can safely stand on the top tread. That gives this ladder about the same reach as a standard 6-foot step ladder, enough for most indoor household jobs. The HBTower ladder also comes with a large tool tray that can hold a paint can, tools, or nails and screws. Plus, it's lightweight and folds flat, so it's easier to store than a standard step ladder. And although it has a high 330-pound weight capacity, it only weighs 23 pounds. Number 2. Arcom 15-foot telescoping ladder. If you need to reach great heights but don't have the room to store a traditional extension ladder, then consider this telescoping ladder. It extends 15 feet, giving you a max reach of about 14 feet, enough for cleaning out gutters or putting up a string of lights. It only weighs 14 pounds. And collapses down to just 3 feet, far easier to store than a standard extension ladder. Non-slip grooves on each tread and rubberized feet add stability, though this ladder's lightweight makes it more prone to more movement than a standard extension ladder, so it's a good idea to have another set of hands to help hold it steady when you're using it. If 15 feet is more than you need, it also comes in 4 smaller sizes. Number 3. Rubbermaid 3-Step Ultra Light Aluminum Ladder. If you only need to add a few feet of reach, then there's no sense investing in a bulky 6-foot step ladder. This one from Rubbermaid will do just fine. With a top step that's 29 inches off the floor, it's a great workmate for painting or changing light fixtures on an 8-foot ceiling. It's one of the lightest step ladders we've seen. It weighs just 8 pounds and still has a duty rating of 225 pounds. There's also a handy built-in tray for tools or a paint can that hangs off the top rung. And, when it's not in use, it folds flat to just 3 to 5 inches thick for easy carrying or storage. Number 4. Little Giant Ladders Multi-M22 Multi-Position Ladder. Little Giant's innovative multifunction ladder is a good choice if you need an extension ladder and a step ladder but don't have the room to store both or the budget to buy 2 ladders. It folds flat and telescopes out to create a 19-foot extension ladder, long enough to reach most gutters. If you fold it into an A-frame shape, it transforms into a 9-foot step ladder you can use on flat or uneven surfaces, such as a set of stairs. Unlike some multifunction ladders that use latches, the Little Giant uses a spring lock system for switching between 2 ladder types. This sturdy aluminum ladder also has a high duty rating of 300 pounds, though it's on the heavy side at nearly 40 pounds. Number 5. Werner NXT1A 8-foot fiberglass step ladder. If the DIY projects around your home usually involve changing light fixtures, wiring a ceiling fan, or other jobs that involve electrical connections, then springing for this non-conductive fiberglass step ladder is worth it. Along with being safe for electrical work, it's also stable and sturdy, thanks to additional bracing on each step and large feet with thick non-slip grips. The ladder is compatible with Werner's lock-in system, which means you can purchase lock-in compatible paint trays, tool bags, and buckets that attach to the ladder cap, saving you trips up and down the ladder for tools and supplies. The ladder cap has built-in slits and holes for common tools like a cordless drill, paint can, and measuring tape. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.